Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on your 1Password account. Find the extension and click on it on the upper right hand side of your browser, wherever it is showing. Then find your item for your account and click on open and fill. That's going to open up the account, the admin console. You want to log into the admin console for 1Password. Once you're there, click on your account on the upper right. Then click on manage account. From here, you will see the option to change email. So click on that and enter the new email address right here. Now, once you enter the email address right here of the new account, click and send confirmation. It's going to send a code to your email, the new email address. I recommend that you check the spam folder in case the code is there. Sometimes it doesn't send it directly to your mailbox, but you will be able to find that confirmation in the spam folder. So don't forget to check the spam folder as well. Once you get it, you'll be able to enter the confirmation, and that's going to allow you to change that email address. And that's it, guys.